Hey, gig workers, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change the way you earn with Uber. We're talking about the Solo app. Its big promise, a pay guarantee, and a serious earning boost. But what does that really mean? Is it too good to be true? We're going to walk you through exactly how to set it up, how to use the pay guarantee, and whether it is actually worth it for Uber drivers in 2025. First things first, let's get you set up. Solo is a third party app, so you'll need to download it from the App Store or Google Play. The app works by syncing directly with your Uber account. This is a crucial step because it needs to see your earnings history to calculate your personal pay guarantee. Once you have downloaded it, the app will prompt you to link your accounts. You'll need to grant it permissions to access your earnings data. This data is what allows Solo to create a Solo powered pay prediction, which is the cornerstone of its guarantee. Now, for the main event, the pay guarantee. Solo's model is based on a concept called pay predictions. Every morning, Solo analyzes historical data for your city and predicts what you should be able to earn for each hour of the day. For example, it might predict that you'll earn $25 per hour between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. on a Friday. Here's how the guarantee works. If you work during that specific time and earn less than $25, Solo will pay you the difference to meet that guaranteed rate. If you earn more than $25, you just keep your higher earnings. The catch? You have to opt in for the specific pay guaranteed hours and make sure you are working during that time. Solo's guarantee only applies to those predetermined windows. You also need to meet a few basic requirements for the trip, like not canceling too often. Beyond the guarantee, Solo offers a few other features to help you earn more. The app provides a detailed look at your hourly earnings. You can see which hours and which days are the most profitable for you. This data helps you make smarter decisions about when and where to drive. By using the app's insights, you can stop guessing and start knowing the best times to work. This helps you dash smarter and not harder. Solo has a mileage tracker and helps you find tax deductions to help with tax time. And it has a job hub to help you find other gigs. So, is Solo for you? It's not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful tool. The pay guarantee is real, but it's based on very specific conditions. For Uber drivers who want to earn consistently and reduce the risk of a slow day, Solo is a valuable app. It gives you an intelligent way to plan your work week and make sure you hit your income goals.